So yesterday I spent several hours out here making and filming an entire project. This lovely little bowl. Sticker on it. I was very happy. It's come out pretty thin for me. I've got the angles consistent from here to here. I was pretty happy with it. I was excited. I went inside, I went to edit, and all the files are corrupt. So that video is gone. I've only got a couple hours left that I can be in the shop this week. I found my original attempt at the heart plate still in the naughty bin. I cut it too big at first, and then when I went, and I had to do that largely with a handsaw, and then when I went to make it smaller on the bandsaw didn't want to cut the hard maple at all. As you can see, it burned the heck out of it. I honestly don't know if I can make anything usable out of this. I don't know if I can ever make that edge pretty. But I'm going to stick it on the lathe and see what happens. Might as well. I quit. This week is done. Back in the naughty bin that goes. And I do not have time to make another project for this week. So I guess this and a few stills are my video. Sorry guys.